Welcome to Friday.
What's up, everybody? Get a pen and a piece of paper. You're going to want to take notes if you own a Nissan.
Yes.
Specifically, S15 Silvia, R33, R34. What else have I got here? C34.
S13.
S13. If you like die casts, if you like Nismo stuff, if you like the look of fear on Russell's face when he's touching battery terminals, you're going to love this video.
All right, well, I think Tom summed it up. That's your table of contents right there.
Yes.
So there's not going to be chapters of this, but we're going to get right through it. So Tom has got some parts, and I've got some parts. And then we got a battery on the table that you can't hardly see, but you can see this is the handle for this battery. And I just want to let y'all know that my toddler hands, it's perfect.
Nice.
But we've got something really cool in these boxes. Warning chimes. Mm-hmm. And we kind of went down a rabbit hole and we found the last of our favorite Nissan sound ever. And we're not going to sell it. We're just going to show it to y'all.
Yeah, just make you mad. All right, so let me go through this quick list. I don't know if you guys have been keeping an eye on our prices, but our prices on the website are crazy low.
Yes.
So now is the time. The Nismo magnetic drain plugs, they're on the website, 18 bucks. Made in Japan, can't go wrong. We've got 22 left. Jump on them, as I like to say. The first 22 people that get orders in get shipped out same day.
Yeah.
Also, this is for the R33 S15 C34 people. I don't have these parts here to show you. I do have one, but the other parts are pretty big. I didn't want to bring them in here. So this is where your pen and your notepad comes in handy. You ready? 727-25-24U00 and 727-52-22U00. If you're going to be doing some windshield stuff, you want to look at those parts. We've got one of each in stock. We can get more. That brings me to these parts. These are windshield spacers. Mm-hmm. These are what were used on the R33 two-door S15 Silvia. These are discontinued. We've got the last 10 in the entire solar system.
Yeah.
So yeah, these also fit R50s, which is really strange.
Just random.
Yeah,
in there.
we're not going to bring those up.
Yeah.
Part number 727-140W000. There'll be some good footage up. Russell's going to get some pictures of these up, maybe. Okay, I'm going really fast, Russell.
No, you're good. I'm gonna unpack some stuff. This is like an unboxing. Let me put it closer to the speaker.
Yeah. Make as much noise as you can. Okay, next one. Pen and paper ready. 92118-15U00. These are mounting rubbers. These are used on R33 Skyline upper AC condenser rubbers. Also on the oil cooler mounts. On the R34 Skyline, only used on oil cooler mounts. All right, that is that done. I think I have one last item. These Hot Wheels.
Yes.
We got a bunch of these. I'm gonna need to scoot over a little bit, I think. There we go. We've got a few of these left. They are on the website right now for $2.
Yes.
Here's what I'm thinking. This is the new 400Z. If you spend $400, we'll throw one of these in. Too much?
Yeah.
How about $240?
I like that. I mean, whatever.
How about $180? How about $100?
Buy the car.
If you, yeah, they're $2, but if you spend over $100, can we toss one of these in?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay.
100% for $100, get a free car. So I was actually thinking earlier today that we could put out an ad right now in the newspaper or in a phone book that says we have the largest Nissan Z inventory in the world, because we do. We got all those die-cast cars, and Nissan can't produce the real thing because they're having paint
which is crazy.
issues. They have a new paint factory, and I guess there's delays. I haven't read too deep into it. I mean, I don't need to know everything. You guys,
it's just enough to think that you know everything.
Yes, that way I can hit the bullet points, and then people ask questions. I'll be like, yeah, I don't know, I forgot.
Yeah.
So I got some parts over here, and these are actually here by way of Kristen.
Wow. Okay.
Kristen came to me and was like, hey, I'm gonna find some cool stuff that we have really good inventory on right now that we need to get, you know, into the hands of these people. S13 shift boots, $38.40, and it's still, that's just crazy to me that it's that cheap. Once again, everything on our site is on sale right now, so get it at $38.40 now before the prices go back up. RB timing components, we got a ton of pulleys in stock, all this kind of stuff. If you need to service your RB right now during the summer while you're beating on that thing, perfect time to buy all this. So when wintertime comes, you're not hit with the back order notice.
Right.
Because that's what happens with RBs. I'm gonna tell you right now, the world, everybody needs RB parts. Australia, New Zealand, Canada, America. And I've got a door weather strip over here too for an S15. Now this is the door weather strip that runs around the window. You can see that's the back part right there. Can you, nope, you can't see it, it's out of frame. We got a ton of these on the shelf. These are $129.60. Now these are the prices that they're currently on sale. And once again, current price. It could change next week for all we know.
And there's no discount code needed. Everything's already marked down. Super deep discounts.
Yeah. Yeah. So get on there. If there's something that you wanted, I'm just telling you right now, we're running a deal. You better get it now, because if you don't, in another month, Nissan's going to raise the price again. You're going to be like, ah. People were emailing me. So the common denominator with emails on the Kooky front bumper and the rear bumpers for the S13 is, oh, the price on those sure has shot up.
Yeah.
Yeah. It has shot up. And now now the front and rear bumper, I think they're both still cheap for what they are. But they have shot up compared to what they were
a year ago,
3 months ago.
Yeah.
But without further ado, now Tom told me that you could touch both terminals
with your fingers.
With your fingers.
And you will not get shocked, Russell. You don't have to be scared.
So we had to order 2 of these in because these are actually discontinued. So this is the door chime for the WD-21. These probably fit D21 and a bunch of other cars too. We ordered them both because we wanted the one like what Tom has in his WD-21 that's like the
actual mechanical bells.
The quintessential sound. This one is not it. We'll let you hear it.
It's an electronic.
It's very similar, but there's something special about this. This is like the analog. This is the tube radio.
It's the cuckoo clock of door chimes.
Phonograph. And this is like the CD player.
Yeah.
So if y'all pick up on, y'all even know what a CD player is? But you know, without further ado, so first we're gonna do the CD player version, the newer.
Let's get these separated.
The more digital sounding. Doesn't much matter on this one. I don't think we worried about it. You got that?
I do.
You ready? You said touch these together while you touch that.
No, you don't want to do that.
Okay. So this is it, guys. You guys are seeing it live here.
Hearing it live.
Yeah, so we're ready.
If we die, just know that we care about all of you.
We did it with you guys. I think we blew it up last time. All right, try it again. What is happening here?
Pretty good.
Like magic. It just makes me happy.
Oh, if you look in there, you can see the little hammer going back and forth.
You can?
Yeah. You have to come over on my side.
Oh, I can see the thing moving over here.
See it? Maybe my thumb's in the way.
Oh, that's, yeah. There you go.
Cool.
There we go. That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. Shall we try this other one again? Maybe we need to touch this one on the terminal.
We didn't do that yesterday.
I know, that was what was weird.
And we don't know which one's the ground.
Maybe that's what was going on. All right, so let me see this other one. All right, you touch the terminals to the battery. Let's see what it does.
Oh. It's just not the same.
There's still something cool about it.
It's got the old school nostalgia to it, but it's not the same as that
it's just nice
metallic one.
Yeah, it's nice and basic.
Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. Thanks for coming to our physics class today.
Yeah, nobody died, nobody got hurt.
Our electronics, yeah.
All right, so no discount code needed on the website, as I've said about 10 times in this video already. If you find a better price elsewhere, buy it.
Yeah, yeah, do it. Don't even, yeah. Oh, t-shirts. Kristen also told me to remind you guys we have new t-shirts, and you can get these in just about any color. Tons of colors. Tons of colors listed on the site. Just let us know if there's
That's
something
one of my favorite colors, by the way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a muscle shirt.
Is it like Tiffany green? Is it blue? Is it the blue-green shirt?
Who knows? Who knows? But they're soft, they're comfy. Kristen got one. She says she loves it. Says it's super comfy, super breathable. She said y'all sleeping.
I'm gonna have to get one. Upcoming video, I'm going to be changing the spark plugs in the Pathfinder. And somebody in the comments said I need to get a dash mat. I'm going to get one. It's been on the list.
Yeah.
But now you put the fear of cracked. So
I told you so.
Hurry up and buy one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe and like if you want to. I really don't care.
I looked today and we are up to 7,500 subscribers.
That's awesome.
So all the new
that
people.
Long ago, we were like 5,000.
Yeah. So everybody who's new here, thank you so much for subscribing and checking us out every week. And you know who you are. You've been here since day one. There's like 10 of y'all that have never gone away.
Jacob Teeny.
Yeah.
He's got a lot of Nissans. He's got a Roadster, which I'm in love with. I'm sending him a little Prezi.
Did you guys watch/listen to me and Tom's podcast?
We did a podcast.
Should we do more of those long form jibber jabbers?
We should, but we should go off topic.
Talk about the price of eggs in America.
There you go.
Bye.